Today we will study muscles of mastication. They are lateral pterygoid, medial pterygoid, temporalis and masseter muscle. First, come to origin and insertion of lateral pterygoid muscle. It has got superior head and inferior head. This is what we are seeing is the inferior surface. This is the inferior surface of the greater wing of a sphenoid. From here, the lateral pterygoid muscle is superior head takes origin. It is superior just like this. And the inferior head takes origin from the lateral surface of lateral pterygoid plate. This is the pterygoid process of the sphenoid bone, and it has got laterally, this is lateral pterygoid plate, and medially this is the medial pterygoid plate. Lateral pterygoid plate, यहाँ के lateral surface से lateral pterygoid निकलता है और medial surface से medial pterygoid माने medial pterygoid muscle निकलता है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि medial pterygoid को इससे मत निकालना. Lateral pterygoid from the lateral surface of lateral pterygoid plate and medial pterygoid from the medial surface of lateral pterygoid plate. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग lateral pterygoid की बात कर रहे हैं, superior and inferior. यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं greater wing of sphenoid, ये ऊपर आ गया तो ये superior head हो गया, और नीचे में यहाँ पे lateral surface of lateral pterygoid plate, यहाँ पे inferior हो गया, यहाँ superior और यहाँ inferior. All muscles of mastication get inserted into the mandible, all lateral, medial, temporalis and the masseter. But lateral pterygoid, both head unite and insert over the pterygoid fovea on the anterior aspect of neck of mandible. This is head of mandible. The condyloid process is also known as head of mandible, and just in front of that there is a depression. Here it is not so prominent. There is a depression known as pterygoid fovea. Okay, there the superior and inferior head unite and get inserted over the pterygoid fovea of the neck of mandible. Okay, now coming to second muscle, that is medial pterygoid. It has got superficial head and deep head. उसमें था superior inferior, इसमें है superficial and deep head. Superficial head, this is the posterior surface of maxilla. This one is, ये maxilla है ना, ये maxilla है, ये इसका posterior surface है, posterior surface. यहाँ पे देखो एक tuberosity यहाँ पे निकला हुआ है, eminence है जहाँ पे हम टच कर रहे हैं, ये this one is eminence. इसे कहते हैं maxillary tuberosity. यहाँ पे एक eminence है, टच करोगे ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा elevation है यहाँ पे, तो this is known as maxillary tuberosity on the posterior surface of maxilla. यहाँ से निकल रहा है superficial head, superficially है, और deep head निकल रहा है on the medial surface of lateral pterygoid plate. यहाँ से deep, क्योंकि वो deep में है. Now both unite and get inserted on the medial surface of ramus of mandible. This is mandible, and here this one up to this much is the ramus of mandible. It has got lateral surface and the medial surface. तो medial surface पे, लेकिन कहाँ से कहाँ तक? This is mylohyoid groove. So it is going up to the mylohyoid groove, यहाँ तक जाएगा, ठीक है? And as above as the mandibular foramen, as anteriorly up to the mylohyoid groove and as above up to the mandibular foramen. ये इसका restriction point है. कहीं भी जाके पूरा में फैल नहीं जाएगा, उतना ही आगे जाएगा जहाँ तक mylohyoid groove गया है, ठीक है? और उतना ही ऊपर तक जाएगा जहाँ तक mandibular foramen है, उसके नीचे तक, ठीक है? यहाँ पे medial pterygoid muscle का insertion है. Origin तो बता दिए. अब आ जाते हैं temporalis. It takes its origin from the temporal fossa, which is the on the lateral aspect of a skull. There is somewhat depressed area. This is known as temporal fossa, over which temporalis muscle lies, and even superficial to that there is temporalis fossa. So from the inner aspect of that fossa and as well as the temporalis fossa, this is temporal fossa plus इनर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ टेम्पोरलिस फासा, जो इसके ऊपर एक मच्छरदानी टाइप का देन फासा है, उसके अंदर से निकल रहा है फाइबर, और यहाँ से भी बोन से भी निकल रहा है, दोनों तरफ से। इसके ऊपर एक कवर है चादर की तरह, चादर के इनर एस्पेक्ट से एंड प्लस इस बोन से निकल रहा है, ठीक है। नाउ दे गेट इंसर्टेड ओवर द कोरोनॉइड प्रोसेस ऑफ मैंडिबल। यहाँ पे टेम्पोरलिस का हो गया। नाउ कमिंग टू मैसेटर। मैसेटर इट टेक्स ऑरिजिन फ्रॉम द जाइगोमेटिक आर्च। तो इसमें भी होता है सुपरफिशियल एंड डीप हेड। तो सुपरफिशियल हेड जो होता है वो एंटीरियर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द जाइगोमेटिक आर्च। जाइगोमेटिक आर्च इज फॉर्म बाय द जाइगोमेटिक प्रोसेस ऑफ मैक्सिला एंड जाइगोमेटिक प्रोसेस ऑफ द टेम्पोरल बोन। तो जाइगोमेटिक प्रोसेस ऑफ मैक्सिला यहाँ तक इस तरह से, यहाँ से ऑरिजिन हो गया सुपरफिशियल हेड का, फिर उसके पीछे से हो गया डीप हेड का। नाउ सुपरफिशियल हेड इज गोइंग टू द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द लैटरल सरफेस ऑफ ramus ऑफ मैंडिबल। सुपरफिशियल यहाँ आ गया और इसके नीचे डीप रहेगा ना, तो फिर डीप हेड अपर पार्ट ऑफ द लैटरल सरफेस ऑफ ramus ऑफ मैंडिबल। ठीक है, क्लियर हो रहा है ना? चारों मसल का हम लोग जान गए, एंड ऑल आर सप्लाइड बाय द मैंडिबुलर नर्व। We have read the muscles of the mastication. It is PTM, parent teacher meeting, pterygoid, temporalis, and the masseter. Pterygoid, that is lateral and medial. Here comes the lateral pterygoid, which has got superior head and the inferior head. Superior head, it is coming out from the inferior surface of the greater wing of the sphenoid, and the inferior head is coming out from the lateral surface of the lateral pterygoid plate, and both are going to the pterygoid fovea on the neck of the mandible. Here it is medial pterygoid. Here it is. This is lateral pterygoid, and this is medial pterygoid. It has got the superficial head and the deep head. Okay, this one in green color. This is the superficial head, which is coming out from the maxillary tuberosity. Lying on the, it is not shown here, the posterior surface of the maxilla, there is an eminence known as maxillary tuberosity. From there, it is coming out, and this is the deep head from the medial surface of the lateral pterygoid plate and going to the medial surface of the ramus of mandible as far as the mylohyoid groove where it is, and up to the as above as the mandibular foramen. This is temporalis. It takes origin from the temporal fossa as well as the inner aspect of the temporalis fossa and get inserted over the coronoid process of the mandible. This is masseter in green color. It has got superficial head and the deep head. Superficial head from the anterior aspect of the zygomatic arch and deep head from the posterior aspect of the zygomatic arch. And now superficial head going to the lower part of the lateral surface of ramus of mandible, whereas the deep head is going to the upper part of the lateral surface of mandible. Now coming to action of muscles of mastication, or it is the same, the movement of temporomandibular joint. It is very important. Opening of mouth, just like opening is, suppose mouth is bottle and bottle opener. This is what we are seeing is the picture of the bottle opener, and it will accommodate L as well as the P. So just a hint that the lateral pterygoid is the mouth opener, very important. Now coming to mouth closer, the rest of the muscle, that is the medial pterygoid, temporalis, and so in PTM, the parents teacher meeting, children usually keep mum. So mouth closer is PTM. Just a hint that lateral pterygoid we all know is the mouth opener. So what left is the medial pterygoid, temporalis, and the masseter. Now protraction. Protraction is what? Is the forward movement of mandible. And look, Mr. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, he needs protection. Protraction is very much sounds like protection, and PM needs protection. So PM is the pterygoid and masseter, lateral and medial both, and masseter. Now retraction or backward movement of the mandible. It is done by the posterior fiber of the temporalis muscle. Here what we are seeing, this anterior fiber is vertical, middle fiber is oblique, and the posterior fiber is somewhat horizontal, and it pushes, it draws the mandible towards backside. So it is the retraction. Backward movement of the mandible is what? Retraction. And side to side movement, it is done by terimeri, that is pterygoid and medial pterygoid and the lateral pterygoid, on both sides. It's just a tug of war, side to side.